Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Ultra 2. Charge it to around 50% and set it on the magnetic charger so no interruptions occur. Once done, make sure your iPhone has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on and is signed into your Apple ID. This speeds pairing and restores backups. Tap the Watch app on your iPhone and choose Pair New Watch. Follow on-screen camera alignment to link them. This creates the secure connection and transfers settings so you don't start from scratch. After pairing, you decide whether to restore a backup or set up as new. Restoring saves time for apps and settings, while a fresh setup avoids legacy clutter. Next, set a passcode and enable wrist detection for security. Then add cards in Apple Pay and configure emergency SOS so safety features work immediately. You should customize watch faces and complications to surface the data you need during activities, and set realistic activity. Finish by testing core functions. Start a short workout to verify GPS, heart rate, and compass readings, and make sure health data syncs to the iPhone. Sync music and offline maps for trips, then update watchOS when prompted to keep features current. If something goes wrong, pairing or sync failures, restart both devices first. If that fails, reset network settings on the iPhone or unpair and repair the watch to rebuild the connection. Keep charging and backup options in mind to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.